The best way to get better at programming is to practice. So in this example, we want to take 3 test scores, average them together, and print a message of congratulations if they scored above a 93. This sample file, like all others, is available via the link down in the description. You can pause this video and then follow along once you're completed to check your answer. Alright, so let's see what we've got here. The first thing we need to do is enter 3 test scores. So I'm going to come down here to my to-do. Grade 1 equals we can also, for simplicity's sake, if we want, provide just a hard-coded number. Here I'm going to calculate my grade average, which is going to be the sum of my 3 grades and then divided by 3. Notice I'm using snake case. That is standard Python naming conventions. Now we're going to have our if statement. So this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do is say if, then we have our condition. Greater than 93. We put a colon afterwards. That's how Python knows that we're done with our condition part of our if statement. And now we're going to have the body. The body's going to go on a new line, and it needs to be indented. Now I'm using Visual Studio Code, and Visual Studio Code will automatically indent for me. If you're using a different editor, this may or may not happen. So now we just need to do a little print. And this is going to be just a congratulatory type of message. So, congrats on making an A. I'm going to test this real quick. Put in a test score. I'm putting in 94. Notice it says congrats on making an A. That's just what we expect. If I run this again, and I'm going to put in, let's say a 20. That should bring down our average. Notice that nothing happens. That's because we're only checking to see if they score above a 93, not what happens if we score less. So this is working correctly, and it's this simple. In our next video, we'll look at other types of decisions that we can make inside of Python.